niyeli aba. In Gã, we have formal mealtime appellations and greetings. For example, at mealtime, a person who is arriving and notices someone eating may say, "Ha niyeli aba," or "Ha ni aba." The person who is sitting down to the meal might respond, "Yo ni mimba." Ba woye ni, extending an invitation to the meal. The person who arrives at mealtime might decide to go ahead and eat, but if they refuse to eat, then they respond, "Yo inine yemni." Mariega. Mariega. Gã, wiemɔi, titiri, komɛi. Common expressions in Gã. In this lesson, we'll look at some greetings to use at meal times. For example, "Ha niyeli aba." Ofe klalo alo. Are you ready? Oteko. Mayeni. Mayeni. I will eat. I would eat. Kemo kenyense. Say after me. Mayeni. Many obaanyɛ. Many obaanyɛ. What will you eat? Kemo kenyense. Many obaanyɛ. Olenyemo. You're just in time for my meal. Olenyemo. Kemo kenyemise. Olenyemo. Oninami. You're just in time for my meal. You've caught up with me. You're invited to my meal. Oninami. Kemo kenyense. Oninami. Ha ni aba. Ha ni aba means, is an invitation in order? Am I invited to the meal? Literally, it means let food come. Ha ni aba. Kemo kenyense. Ha ni aba. Yo ni mimba. Bawo ye ni. Yes, you're invited to my meal. Come, let's eat. Yo nimba. Bawo ye ni. Kemo kenyense. Yo nimba. Bawo ye ni. Yo inine yemli. No, thank you. Eat with my blessing. Yo inine yemli. Kemo kenyense. Yo inine yemli. Homo mi yemi. I am hungry. Homo yemi. Kemo kenyense. Homo yemi. Mito. Into. I am satisfied. Into. Kemo kenyense. Into. Meni oyeo. What are you eating? Meni oyeo. Kemo kenyense. Many oyo. Nie ebe. Nie ebe. The food is ready, or the food is cooked. Nie ebe. Kemo kenyense. Nie ebe. Fufui mimba michine. I am craving fufu. Chine means yearning or craving. Fufui mimba michine. Kemo kenyense. Fufui mimba michine. Gali yeli eje michine. I am fed up with eating gari. I don't crave gari. Eje michine is a Gã expression for to be fed up with. Gali yeli eje michine. Kemo kenyense. Eje michine. Mayeko. I will eat it. I will eat some of it. Maye eko. Kemo kenyense. Maye eko. Many po neke. This is so yummy. This is so sweet. Many po neke. Kemo kenyense. Many po neke. Nanu yehe. It is tasty. Nanu yehe. Kemo kenyense. Nanu yehe. Manunu. I will drink water. Manunu. Kemo kenyense. Manunu. Kuma miyemi. I am thirsty. Kuma yemi. Kemo kenyense. Kuma miyemi. Engõ. It is delicious. It is sweet. Engõ. Kemo kenyense. Engõ. Ejo. It is sour. It is bitter. Ejo. Kemo kenyense. Ejo. Let's end with a proverb in Gã. Wo nuni ngõ, nuni blaseng. Tasty soup draws seats to itself. Kemo kenyense. Wo nuni ngõ, nuni blaseng. Oyi waladon. Oyi waladon. Shida Afroliteracies Foundation. Kefe Slamo Woye. www.afroliteracies.net. Shida Kple Huaha Ernest Komietetete. Kenia Nang Demokujo. Kepixabay.com. Bohu obaanyɛ okɛɛ. Bohu obaanyɛ okɛɛ. Biane esho no. Marie Gã.